how can we find the angle of right angle triangle? Okay, we have one case. Here we have ABC is a right angle triangle. AB is 15 and BC is 27. We have to find this angle. We have to find this angle. Okay, for this angle, first you have to define what is this side and what is this side. So side with angle is always your base. So this is your base, and in front of 90 degree always hypotenuse, and angle in front of angle is your perpendicular. Okay, now we have perpendicular and base. We have these two values. We have to find theta. We will use perpendicular and base. You will check the formula where we can use perpendicular and base. In tan theta you can use perpendicular and base. So we will use tan theta. Theta is not given. Tan theta through perpendicular is 15 over base is 22. So we have to find theta. Tan will be shifted on other side. This will be tan inverse into 15 by 22. You can find, first you will divide 15 divided by 20 with the calculator, and then how you will find tan inverse? You will push the, you will press the button of shift which is on extreme left of the calculator on top side. Okay, you will press the shift and then you will press the tan. So this will display your tan inverse, and then you will put the value of this. Then here there will be your answer, which will be equal to approximately 34.29. 34.29. This is first case when we have to find angle. Okay, to use we have perpendicular and we have base. Okay, now we have to discuss the second case. Now if we have question like this A, B, C, in this we have 12.6, in front of 90 is hypotenuse, so we have hypotenuse 12.6, angle is here, we have to find angle A, we have to find ACB, angle find, we have to find angle. If we have to find this angle, the side with angle is base and in front of angle is perpendicular. Now we have base and we have hypotenuse. First we have to decide which formula will be used, base and hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse is used in cos theta, so we have to find cos theta, we have to find theta, curly base over hypotenuse 5.7 over hypotenuse is 12.6. So cos will be shifted on other side, so theta will be equal to cos inverse into 5.7 over 12.6. Okay, now you have to just simplify with the calculator, and the final answer will be approximately 26.90 degree. Okay, that's your theta. This is second types when we have base and hypotenuse and we have to find the angle. So we will use cos theta. This is the third case. If we have BC 12, AC is 31.5 and we have to find this angle. We have to find this angle. Okay. Now the side with the angle is base. So this will be your base. In front of the angle is perpendicular and in front of 90 is hypotenuse, which is 31.5. Now we have base and we have hypotenuse. So first we have to decide which formula will be used. Base and hypotenuse is some people have. So we have base and hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse is in cos theta. Sorry, we have to change the value because we have to use sin theta. We have to just perpendicular over hypotenuse. Okay, if we shift this angle here, suppose we have to find this angle. So this will become your base and this will become your perpendicular. So this is 12, this is your perpendicular. Okay, question can be changed in many ways. Okay, we have to find now this angle. When we have to find this angle, side with angle is base and opposite to the angle is perpendicular, and in front of 90 is hypotenuse. Now we have perpendicular and hypotenuse. We have to use sin theta. In sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So sin theta, theta is, we have to find theta which is equal to x you can put as x. Some people perpendicular is 12 over hypotenuse is 31.5. Now we have to find x. Sine will be shifted on other side. This will become sine inverse into 12 over 31.5. Okay, we can simplify this and the final answer will be 67.36. This is third case. We have discussed all the cases where we have to use sine theta, cos theta or tan theta. Hope you have now all the understanding of sine, cos, tan. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Kindly press the bell icon. Thank you.